Hello from Kelly Hicks Construction, where we're looking at park models today. This is a Summit, and it's called a 355FL, and it has a loft and a full extended dormer. It's unit number 5691, and it's heritage blue with white trim. Let's take a little walk around it, and then we'll go inside it and check it out. As you can see, we got plenty of inventory here. I'm trying to get through them all, get the videos up so people can get these babies purchased in the off season and be ready for camping next year. A lot of people call these tiny houses, but in all honesty, tiny house doesn't have nothing to do with the park model. This is what's called a park model RV. So we're going on inside, and I'll show you the features that are common to most of them, if not all of them. Number one, everything in them stays in them. This one has a swivel rocker. I'm sorry, I said that wrong. It's a rocker recliner. They all have a hide-a-bed sofa. Lots of them will have this nice built-in fireplace. This one has nice PVC plank flooring throughout on the entire main floor. It even carries through into the master bedroom. So the only carpet is in the stairs and the loft. So that works out really well for a lot of people, and we find that they're well received when we build them like that. So it's about a half loft, and there's plenty of room up here for probably 2 to 3 king-size beds anyway. So anyhow, I'll show you the kitchen. Overview of the living room. They all have a table and 4 chairs. The chairs actually all have storage underneath of them. You got a 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, 18.5 cubic foot fridge, lots of shelving, cabinetry. Check it out. Full extension, ball bearing drawer guides. Let's go. It's got a hall pantry, self-closing hinges. I don't know if you caught that, but self-closing hinges. Heading on in here, this is the bath. It's a shower and a fiberglass tub surround. You got a vanity and a medicine cabinet. Storage under the vanity. So heading on in to the master suite. It's a nice big master suite with the queen bed and bedspread. It's got the latest and greatest Quail Ridge and Summit wardrobe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 drawers and 4 doors. How about that? And they're lit so you can see what's in your closet. And you have a makeup mirror. And here's what else is cool. You've got your circuit breaker panel behind, all clearly marked. So if you ever wonder where your circuit panel is, it's likely behind your mirror. Well, I got several more trailers to film. Hope you enjoyed my video. I like making them for people, and I seem to get a lot of positive comments. 6-foot vinyl patio door. Oh, what else can I say? Come on down and get one of these. I got 3 355FLs in stock. They're going to be my price leader this year, and we're likely going to sell 10 or 12 of them because they are an excellent value. Excellent. Anyhow, call Kelly if you have any questions. This is unit number 5691.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.